Hey there, creative souls and tea enthusiasts. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today, we're going to warm up your hearts with a delightful drawing. A cozy teapot, sizzling with hot tea, and brimming with the lovely aura of fall. So gather your art supplies because we're about to embark on a creative journey that's as comforting as a cup of freshly brewed tea on a chilly, windy day. To begin, let's draw a semicircle. But give it a bit more pointed height to make it look just like a kettle's body. Imagine it's ready to brew up some magic. Now, let's add a cute cover on the top and a spout that's shaped like a swirl. Our teapot is starting to take shape. For that vintage touch, let's draw 2 iron bars going over the kettle, forming a rectangle shape. Add a handle in the middle. Fall is all about warm colors, fallen leaves, and cozy evenings, right? Let's let that feeling flow through our artwork. Add a big cute flower in the middle. Surrounded by some leaves. To set the fall theme just right, add some dots and thin lines for texture and detail. It's all about those charming details. Don't forget to add big vapors coming out of the spout to show that our tea is smoking hot. To finish off our drawing, add some herbs and leaves on the ground to set the cozy fall theme perfectly. It's all about those little touches. Now let's bring our teapot to life with colors. The lid and leaves get a beautiful shade of blue. And to make that flower pop, add a vibrant hue of yellow. Don't forget to add some yellow to the handle and spout to make those details stand out. The kettle body, well, it's getting a lovely shade of pink. And there you have it, folks. Our cozy teapot is complete, sizzling with hot tea and radiating the warm, comforting vibes of fall. I hope you enjoyed this creative journey as much as I did. Now, before we wrap up, if you had a blast with this video and you're excited for more artsy adventures, don't forget to give us a thumbs up by hitting that like button below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more fun and quirky art projects. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep those pencils moving, keep creating, and keep having fun.